Hello all and welcome to week 14 of our course. We're almost there. Today or this week, we will be discussing about temperament, as well as the self, and emotions. So for this week, we have our week 14 overview, which you see right now. For our week 14 research, we have chapter 11 in our textbook, as well as the facilitation article titled Temperament and Emotion that our facilitation group chose for this week. This is also our last week of facilitation groups. So thank you to all for helping facilitate our learning this, I almost said quarter, this semester. Let me see. So we have our research, and then we have our mini lecture. It is a link to a Google Slides, and then there's little, it looks like volume buttons that you can click that will have our facilitation group's voices. We have our discussion number 12 on temperament, emotions, and the self, which asks you, how do various factors such as environmental influences and caregiver interactions impact the development of temperament and emotional regulation in infants and toddlers during the first 2 years of life? So a fun question that I'm really intrigued to see everybody's views on. And then we have our second synthesis matrix. Same deal as the first. However, this one will be for our final exam. I have a little overview video on there just in case we need a reminder on how to do these, as well as the template and an example. So that is all for this week. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, just want to chat, please let me know. And yes, and I mentioned this last week as well, but our final project is also viewable, so you can start working on that whenever best fits your time schedule. That's all for this week, and I hope everybody has an absolutely fantastic week.